5 seconds. Start. Certified copies of the sale deeds are admissible to show the transaction recorded in such documents through the courts are not bound to treat them as reliable evidence. Stop. The question of relying on them depends on the facts and circumstances of the case. Stop. Where the documents are challenged as collusive or only for the purposes for inflating the price of the land sought to be acquired or in anticipation of acquisition proceedings, then the court may not rely upon them unless parties to the sale deed are examined to prove the circumstances in which they came to be executed. Stop. The compensation to be awarded under the Act is the market value of the land on the date of publication of notification under section 4 of the Act. Stop. The market value includes the price for future potential of the land and no extra amount is required to be awarded for the same. Stop. The best way to find out the market value is to consider the price fetched on similar land with similar advantages and potentiality under bona fide transaction of sale at about the time of notification under section 4 of the Act. Stop. In this case, it is not appropriate to award compensation according to the quality of the land or by belting the uniform rate for the acquired land is the best option. Stop para. We agree with the learned counsel for the respondents 3 to 5 that his clients cannot be alleged to be involved in the commission of the crime and were rightly acquitted by the High Court. Stop. There is no evidence produced by the appellant worth the name against the aforesaid respondents. Stop. Even PW numbers 5 and 6 have not brought on record any incriminating circumstance attributable to the aforesaid accused which could be made the basis for their conviction. Stop. PW5 in his deposition before the court had stated that after the marriage accused raised a demand of rupees 15,000 for a scooter and refrigerator. Stop. We fulfilled that demand by giving rupees 20,000 to him for scooter and refrigerator. Stop para. He used to threaten her that she would be done to death because of having inadequate dowry. Stop. On 21st September 1988, respondent had come to my younger brother in connection with a ceremony concerning his son. Stop. She also visited us as the house is close to our house. Stop. She stayed with us for the night. Stop.